Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Miriam. For those of you who are new, welcome to my channel. I'm super excited for today's video because I'm going to be making over my son's room. I'm doing both boys' rooms over, but I'm going to be showing you the little one's room first, and then I'll show you guys the older one's room as I go on with the video, or as I go on with, you know, updating his room and things like that. So we're transitioning his room from the baby room to a big boy room because he is about to be 4 and he's going to be starting school soon, and also he outgrew his crib anyway, so he needs a bigger bed. So we're gonna be doing that for the next couple of weeks, days, or I don't even know how long it's gonna take me. I'm gonna be doing some decor stuff that I'm gonna be placing in his room. Give me my phone. So let me give you guys a tour of what the room looks like now, just so you get an idea of, you know, what I'm working with and how it's gonna turn, you know, all that stuff. So let me change camera. So when you first walk in his room, watch out, Joab. We have like pull doors that we keep open because we don't want him to be closing the doors on us. We keep it open. He don't know how to pull it open. So on this side, I already have packed all the stuff that I'm getting rid of on this side that I have to, you know, move and organize and all that stuff. His room is actually, the paint is good. I'm not gonna change the paint or anything like that. I actually really like it. It's blue is actually his favorite color, so we're gonna keep it as is for now. Yes, you. And that's the bed that we took apart. I'm gonna have to change that to a full-size bed, and we got him a new dresser to put his stuff in and things like that. I'm not sure what I'm doing with the windows yet, if I'm gonna cover it or leave it as is. We'll see. And then over here we have his closet where all his shoes and clothes are, and you can see that's not even his costume, but he just wears that. But yeah, so that's what the room is looking like right now. I'm gonna have to vacuum and clean and, you know, all that stuff. So let's get right into the video. For the first decor piece, I'm gonna be using this, I don't even know what this is, that I got from the dollar store. I only got it because, let me open it. It's like a spot where you can put something. I'm gonna put something in here to stand. So what I'm gonna do at first is I'm gonna spray paint this white. I actually got 2 of them that I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna spray paint them both white. I don't really care about this stuff that it says on it. I just got it because it fit the shape that I needed for the decor that I'm trying to go for. And then I'm gonna be using this spray paint that I got for 97 cents. I got this at Lowe's, so I'm gonna be using this to spray paint these 2 all white. And then I'm gonna be placing my planters. So this is what they look like dry. And now I'm gonna take my plants, the dollar ones, and just gonna stick it in here. All right, y'all. I was gonna use my E6000. But I think I'm just gonna skip this and I'm gonna go straight to the big stuff. This right here is supposed to stick to any and everything, so I'm just gonna use this because I don't have time for this thing to not work. So let's try it. Let's go for it. Oh, we got a winner. Thank the gods. To start the project, I'm gonna just start with my foam cup, and then I'm going to just use my little pen here to poke a hole. I'm gonna poke 2 little holes on each side, like so. And then I'm gonna use this little string here. Okay, cut that, because this string is gonna be what I'm gonna use to hang this up. Put it through the hole like so, and just tie it. You want to tie it tight so this doesn't come apart like so. okay, like so. And then I'm gonna cut this mouthpiece off because I don't want it to look like a cup. Now that you have this off completely, I'm going to then put this to the side because I don't need it. And I'm gonna paint this cup black, and I'm gonna use my black chalk paint that I got from Lowe's, okay? And I'm gonna use this to paint this black. So this is what the cup looks like after it's dry. Don't worry about the bottom, doesn't matter. Actually, kind of sticky at the bottom. Don't worry about the bottom or the inside because it's not gonna show. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I had to change real quick because it got real hot in here. But I got the headboard from my other son's room that I'm about to use. So I'm just gonna get the one that came with the crib out of here and get back to getting this room together. We are getting hit with a snowstorm right now. Let me just show you guys what it's looking like outside. Like, do y'all see that? Like, ridiculous. Non-stop. And it's still coming down. Oh my goodness. Upstate life. Move upstate, they said. It'll be nicer, they said. Stick this on the wall using these command strips. I normally don't use this because I had it fall on me once, but I'm hoping that it won't fall in here. That's why I'm placing it somewhere where it's not close to my kid, so if it does fall, he won't get hurt. So let's see if this will work for me this time. So all you do is you put one on the back, then you attach the other one on top of it like so. Ooh, my hands is ashy. Need to put some lotion on. And then when it's like this, you're gonna rip this part off, and then this sticks to the wall. If you guys want to see how my son reacts to his room, make sure you check out our family channel page. I'll have the link to our channel in the description box below.